In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude a home IP address in Google Analytics. This is a great way to ensure that the data you collect in Google Analytics is as accurate as possible by excluding any internal traffic, like visits from your own home network. Let's dive into the process and make sure your analytics data reflects only the traffic you truly want to track. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Analytics account. Once you're logged in, start by heading over to the home page of Analytics. This is your starting point for accessing all the settings you need. Now, look for the Admin button, which is typically located at the bottom left of your screen. Clicking this will take you to the administrative settings for your account. In the Admin section, you'll see a variety of options. What you're looking for here is Data Streams. This is where all your data collection settings are managed. Click on Data Streams to proceed. You should see a list of your existing data streams. Find and click on the data stream that corresponds to the website or app you want to adjust. This ensures that any changes you make will apply to the correct dataset. Once you've selected your data stream, you'll need to configure the tag settings. Look for an option that says Configure Tag Settings and click on it. This is where we'll start defining the parameters to exclude your IP address. In the tag settings, there's a Show More option. You'll want to click on this to reveal additional settings that aren't immediately visible. Now, you'll see an option to define internal traffic. This is the key setting that allows us to specify which IP addresses should be excluded from analytics data. Click on Define Internal Traffic to continue. You'll then see an option to create a new rule. Click on Create. This is where you'll specify the details necessary to exclude your home IP address from being tracked. When creating the rule, you'll need to set the parameters to identify your home IP address as internal traffic. Enter your home IP address in the appropriate field. If you're unsure of what your home IP address is, a quick Google search for "What is my IP address" will provide this information. Once entered, save your settings to ensure that your home IP address is excluded from your Google Analytics data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured Google Analytics to exclude traffic from your home IP address. This simple adjustment will help ensure that the data you see in your reports is more reflective of external user activity, providing you with more accurate insights. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.